Going to show you how to use the wireless power sharing on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So basically you can charge other devices like other devices that are compatible with wireless charging, like some phones, watches, AirPods, other earbuds and whatnot. Okay, so let's go ahead and activate this first and I'll give you a quick test run here. So, and it doesn't matter if the phone's open or closed, okay? But first thing is you just want to go directly to your settings. And then from your settings, what you want to do is you just want to go down until you see battery and device care. Tap on that. And then you want to tap on battery over here. So tap on battery. And now we're just going to go ahead and scroll down until you see wireless power sharing. So tap on that. And it doesn't matter. You can have the phone closed or you can have it open. Okay. So the wireless charging is actually where the camera is. So it would be here somewhere. Okay. And you can read this down here. And to turn it on, you got to tap on, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and close it. Okay, so it's still on. So now let's just try Samsung Galaxy Buds here, compatible with wireless charging. You can see a little tiny light down there. Okay, so that's working. How about AirPods? These ones are compatible with wireless charging as well. Sometimes you do need to kind of play with it too. Okay, hey, look, if the light's not on, let me pull it off and let me put it back on now. Oh, there we go. So now it's charging. How about the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro here? Let's see if this charges. Nice. Now, here's the slight issue, okay? Here's an iPhone. I think it's an iPhone 13 Pro. You know, they showed a picture where you can put it sideways and it should charge. Doesn't matter what I do, it does not charge when the phone is sideways. However, if I put it right on top of the camera, right in the middle like that. Oh, didn't work. Let me pull it off for a second. And let's put it back on. Wow. Okay. Also, if I turn my iPhone upside down and put it on here, it charges, okay? Again, it just doesn't charge when you have it sideways. Nope. Try to find a sweet spot here. No. No. Put the camera on top. No. But if I put it back over here, it charges, okay? And same thing here. This is a Samsung Galaxy. I think this is a S10 Plus, and it has a case on here. And if I put it this way, it's going to charge. Also, if I turn it upside down, it's going to charge. But if I put it sideways, no, nothing. But if I just turn it back around here, voila. Anyway, there you guys go. Any questions or issues, just comment below.